A router is only as good and multifunctional as the router bits used in it. Even the most expensive and best router will not fulfill your expectations when a poor or dull router bit is used. Nothing influences the quality and the result of a routing job more than the used shank tools. For an amateur and even for a professional craftsman, a high-quality router bit is often difficult to recognize. Quite often, a router bit reveals its quality only after the purchase, when using it for the first time in hard beechwood. And still, a broken router bit stuck in the wood is only the lesser of two evils. Beside bad quality ball bearings and extremely short shanks, these router bit sets contain often straight bits which make plunge into the wood almost impossible, because for cost reasons there is very often no precision ground bottom cut. Best is to take your fingers off these low-cost offers. If you attach great importance to a perfect quality at an unbeatable price, then we have the really best buy for you. ENT shank tools for woodworking. For neat and precise results you can be proud of. Buying a router bit is mainly a matter of confidence. We at ENT have had the confidence of many satisfied woodworkers for many years already. Our shank tools are manufactured on computer-controlled CNC machines, following the highest modern quality and safety standards. We only use the best finest micrograin carbide for the manufacturing process. Our tools are precision ground and double-checked on different precision measuring equipment. Thus, we ensure that all ENT tools achieve the strictly defined European security norms. For that reason, all important information on an ENT tool is durably engraved in the shank. On the shank, you can also find the minimum clamping depth mark. This mark shows the user how deeply he must bring the shank into the collet of his router. All ENT router bits have a long shank for safe fixing and to ensure a vibration-free rotation. By using the highest micrograin carbide density, our tools achieve an outstanding cutting quality and performance. You will appreciate these qualities when routing hardwood, composite materials and plastics, as for example acrylic glass. The used carbide plates have a thickness of more than 2 mm and can be reground several times. Thus, an ENT quality router bit is not only a safe but also a long-term investment. A lot of ENT router bits have a shaft angle. This inclination of the cutting edge does not only ensure a better cutting result, but due to the shear angle also a better chip clearance and a smooth cutting. A further requirement for a clean cut and a long lifetime of the router bit is a perfect cutting and relief angle. We guarantee an optimum adjustment of these angles for all ENT router bits, and thus a clean chip building at a minimum feed pressure. We do not compromise on our tools. Therefore, we supply only straight bits with precision ground and hardened bottom cut, which allows plunging right into the middle of the workpiece. For especially tough plunging and drilling jobs in hardwood and man-made board, we offer our series of straight bits with an extra carbide blade on the bottom cut side of the tool. If you emphasize extremely clean cutting edges and a perfect chip clearance, then you hit the spot with our solid carbide spiral fluted straight bits. We do not use guide pins on our trimming cutters. We only use high quality ball bearings, which do not damage or burn the cutting edges. All ball bearings can be exchanged for grinding or replacement. They can even be changed in other sizes, which offers additional application fields. Besides standard router bits, ENT offers a multitude of special design bits to cover nearly all applications. With our big product range and stock, we can supply a convenient bit for your problem at any time. In our clearly arranged catalog, you will find a clear and precise overview on our large product range. If special tools such as this style and rail set are required, we can offer small series starting at 30 units, developed in accordance with your special designs. With this style and rail set, you can produce high-quality frames and doors in solid wood in only 3 steps. First, you make the rail at the frontal side of your workpiece. Then you change the tool to profile the long side stiles. Needless to say that all router bit components and assemblies of this set are precisely tuned and adjusted in order to obtain a perfect, accurate fitting of your workpiece. Finally, remove the panel raising cutter from the high-value set and place it in the router to make the profile of the panel. With this style and rail set from ENT, you can even start the construction of the kitchen of your dreams. ENT does not only attach great importance to quality, but also to safe and practical packaging. Every single router bit is supplied well protected in a plastic container or in our patented individual clear plexiglass box with clamping system in the black lower part of the box to keep your tools safe and protected. We supply our high-quality router bit sets in a stylish handmade wooden box in burl wood veneer. We also offer starter sets with 12, 22 or 30 bits at a fair price. These sets are composed to cover the special needs and demands of the woodworker. Even this box has a special design. Turning the plexi lid will allow you to safely place the whole range on your bench. You can also remove the inner part with tool and labels from the box and place it in a drawer of your router table. There your router bits are always safe and at hand. As a matter of course, the router bits meet the same high-quality standards as the tools chosen from our individual product range. Even in this range, you can often change the ball bearings to provide a larger scope for design. Because ENT quality shank tools mean for you high-quality ball bearings, razor-sharp cutting edges for a neat and fine surface, optimal cutting angle geometry for a clean cut and a quick chip clearance, thick carbide blades to provide better shock resistance and allow repeated resharpening, non-stick coating to avoid the resin sticking to the body, and high-precision ground shanks to ensure perfect clamping in the router. Therefore, trust in the high-quality shank tools of ENT, European Norm Tools.